more time for our beautiful contestants. Please help me welcome my co-host for the evening, the beautiful, the gorgeous, Terry Carell.
Pretty nice, don't you think? And can we talk about joy? You look amazing making a statement.
On you. Just a kiss from your lips takes me to a new high. You lift me so high, give my wings, I need to fly. Oh, I could be hypnotized.
In no particular order, here are the top 5 finalists in the Miss Universe Jamaica Beauty, Fashion and Wellness Pageant 2024.
The first contestant to make it to the top 5 is contestant number 19, Celine Dietrich.
Let's keep the applause going. Stepping into the top 5 and joining Celine Dietrich is contestant number 16, Dr. Sandra Swaby.
Let's keep the applause going. This spot is for you. Contestant number 18, Sara-Jade.
The top 5 is heating up with only 2 more spaces. The next lucky contestant to enter the top 5 is contestant number 22, Rachel Silvera.
And that spot belongs to contestant number 23, Carrie Ann Greenwood.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your top 5. Please, even as we celebrate, let us show some love to the other ladies who did not make it to the top 5. They have a lot to be proud of, making it to the top 15 and making it to this level of the competition. So to the other ladies, we say thank you. Thank you.
Come on, let's keep the applause going for top 5.
Do you see your winner? I'm going to say this sentence and you are going to complete sentence. Your Miss Universe Jamaica 2024 is. We're gonna have to wait and find out. That Joshua has color-coded envelopes. The questions are sealed, the envelopes are sealed. Let him get it out now before she starts to answer her question. Each contestant will have the opportunity to simply go and choose the envelope of her preference based on her color, and she will come across here and we will open the envelope. With that being said, Celine Dietrich. She has selected the color green because she is unofficially our bush lady. Congratulations on making it this far. Celine, do you think the new Miss Universe age limit put younger women at a disadvantage?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, it does not put young ladies at a disadvantage. In fact, it puts us at an advantage because to have older women in the pageant with more life experience, it allows us to learn from them and benefit from their knowledge in the pageant. Give thanks.
Thank you so very much. Job well done. I now invite Rachel Silvera to select her envelope based on the color of her preference. She's chosen pink. Hello, Barbie. Rachel, congratulations on making it to the top 5. Your question is, what qualities do men like in women?
That's a very interesting question. I think as a progressive woman, it's very important to focus on who we are authentically and what we can offer to the world, the impact that we can make on the world, how we can empower and inspire others rather than what men like in us.
Thank you so much. My knees got weak. Sara-jade, let's hear your question. Sarah has chosen a light blue to contrast. Congratulations. Made it to the top 5. Do you think beauty or intelligence is more important?
Thank you so much. We live in an unlimited universe, and I believe that both of them are important. And when I say beauty is important, I mean inner beauty. Your compassion, your kindness, your empathy, that is what is beautiful. And your intelligence is absolutely important, and both are a lethal concoction, beauty and intelligence. Extremely important. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Sara-jade. We're showing you our top 5 on display. We now welcome Dr. Swaby to kindly select the envelope of her choosing. She's going for the white. Dr. Swaby, congratulations on making it to the top 5 thus far. And your question is, how do you define beauty and how do you believe this definition impacts society?
Beauty can be just about any way in which you manifest yourself. Beauty is not only on the outside, as you know, but it's also on the inside. And in terms of really impacting society, I think inner beauty, just like the Jamaican people, just feel the energy in this room. It's beautiful all by itself. So I think that beauty is what really can impact our society.
Thank you so very much, Dr. Swavey. I appreciate this audience, this very obedient audience. Now, Carrie-Ann, I would ask you to pick an envelope with the color of your choosing, but you have been left with the yellow. Congratulations on making it thus far. Much better job, Joel. And your question is, what do you believe is your purpose?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, judges, hosts. I believe that my purpose is to inspire younger girls around me. And also, I believe in providing proper support for persons who suffer from mental illness. As you may know, my mom had suffered from schizophrenia, and my project is set towards the rehabilitation process of ensuring that our loved ones do get the help that they need in order to regain their identity back into society. And that is what I believe is my life's purpose. Thank you.
Universe Jamaica 2023.
And in her final walk as the reigning Miss Universe Jamaica, please, ladies and gentlemen, show your love for Dr. Jordan Lauren Levy, Miss Universe Jamaica 2023. Please make Miss Evans welcome.
And while we wait on the presentation, Shanice, of course, we have the runway for you to do your welcome walk.
Claro
Come
que
on,
sí.
everybody. Let's hear it for Shanice Palacios, Miss Universe 2023. Music, man, with the music. Visitor.
Look at that face, you look like my next tonight. Knows that they wanna play.
Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause by Shanice Palacios. And we welcome Miss Evans.
Let's be friends and I just see how this one ends. Grab your passport in my hand. I can make a
Look at this beautiful gift on our behalf from Jamaica. And while we get the gifts from Shanice, we're going to ask Christian to remain on stage with us. And at this time, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the moment we've all been working on.
Así que Shanice, nosotros queremos 2024 is Rachel Silvera, which means the first runner-up is sara-jade. Sara-jade down. Once away as the first runner-up in the Miss Universe Jamaica pageant. We invite Shanice Palacios to sash Rachel Silvera.
Come on, everybody, let's hear it for your new Miss Universe Jamaica 2024, Rachel Silvera.
Jordan has passed the crown as she has passed the baton. One queen saying farewell and another queen saying hello, universe. Make some noise for our queen, who will now get the Mexico to represent the black, green, and gold. Take your walk, queen. Go ahead, Rachel, you can take your walk.
Mr. Dutty Berry here with Dr. Sandra Swaby. Okay, oh God, that's to make sure in case we get the woman name wrong. We don't want, you know.
Yes.
But yes.
My husband sitting there.
Oh,
so.
okay, so you know, your husband was rooting for you the whole entire time, and every time him see you, him face just light up. So I know after this, we know him have a special surprise, right?
Love it.
Yo, he's a riot. He's a riot.
Yes.
So talk to me about how you why did you enter the competition and how was the feeling, you know, interacting with the girls and how you're feeling today?
Amazing, amazing, amazing on all three questions. The journey was something unexpected, learning so much from these young women who are so vibrant, intelligent, entrepreneurial, and of course, powerhouses in their own right. Tonight was fantastic, amazing, humbling. The energy in the room, the people, just the contestants support each other. Best night ever.
Yeah, you walked away with the most congenial prize. Are you someone who's just likable everywhere you go? Because I realize that them pick up your energy and make you do a lot of interviews, and the public seem to love you a lot. Is this just a performance for the show, or are you or have been like this all throughout your life?
What I know is that I've always known who I am. I've always been passionate about who I am. I've always worked on who I would like to be, the best version of myself. And I would only hope that any light I shine, people will see it and receive it with love that I give it in.
Okay, so now you've walked away here with 5th place.
Yes.
You are an inspiration and will continue to be an inspiration to many women. Now, did you come across any naysayers as it relates to why you're entering, talking about your look or your age, and how did you deal with it?
You know, I didn't come across anyone.
Oh, wow, it was just pure love. It was just pure love.
No, maybe they were, but I wasn't. I was just so tapped into the energy of the competition. But I'm sure persons had their opinions, and it's okay.
Yeah.
But it's all love.
Yeah.
It's all love.
Thank you so much. Anything that you want to say to your supporters?
Listen, thank you, Jamaica. You've been amazing. Thank you for the love, the energy, the vibe. And listen, I would do this again. I won't, but I'll do this again for you because you have inspired me to be better and better and greater and greater. Thank you, Jamaica.
All right, so now with me we have the 2nd place winner at the Miss Jamaica Universe Finals, sara-jade. Sara-jade, I'm sure this is not the how you wanted the night to end. But you know, just one of them things there. How are you feeling? What are your thoughts about the competition? And what are you going to move on doing? I know you have your charity work. I guess you're going to continue that, right?
Yes, I feel very good. You know, I'm grateful. I'm looking at my family supporting me right now, and that's all that really matters. I saw my baby's face in the crowd, and that melted my heart. So, you know, I'm grateful.
Yeah.
I'm very grateful.
No, when me telling you had to be here. Sarah brought out like a whole entire, it's more than a football team. Like Shelley and Fraser Price and the whole of the people that were gone to Paris now, they would have needed this type of support. Like, how did it feel when you looked in the audience and you realized that so many people turned up to support you and just give you all of the energy on stage?
Well, you know, my mom is very extra, so I wasn't surprised. I was expecting it. But, you know, it's all love. So I'm really grateful that they came out and supported me because showing up really matters, you know? So they really touched my heart.
No, between me and Sarah, I got to tell you, I quite enjoyed your response to the question and answer segment. Definitely did like it. A little part it kind of surprised me, but you know, we're not really talk about that right now. But I did like your response.
It's the part that surprised everybody, the lethal concoction, right?
Yeah. I really enjoyed your answer. And so, can you talk to me a little bit about your mom?
Yes.
And definitely a night platform to have, and I realized that you have a TikTok page that is dedicated to it. Like, why specifically did you choose it? Just because of your mom, or is there something that really is personal about this journey?
It's definitely personal. It's 100% personal. So I am a single mom, and it's a culture shock for me because I grew up with both my parents.
Yeah.
As you can see, both my mom and dad are in the crowd. So when it happened to me, I couldn't fathom that, you know, somebody could be so disconnected from their child. And because of that, I developed a sense of compassion and empathy for other mothers going through the same struggle, which is why I decided to start the advocacy, because raising a child by yourself is no joke.
Oh, baby, oh no. Oh no, what's her name?
Her name is Nayeli.
Nayeli.
Yeah.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Would you encourage her when she gets older to enter a competition like Miss Universe?
Of course, it's a great platform to self-actualize and to empower others. So why not?
All right, so I just want to leave you know. Can you tell the people them the account that you have where you talk about mommy stuff?
Sure. So it's on TikTok. It's called Moms of the Universe. And sometimes I post it on my personal Instagram page as well. And both the Instagram and the TikTok are sara-jade_24. So you can check out everything about me there.
All right, so finally, I just want you to leave with a message now to other single women, like how they can probably find hope and joy and just the courage to just manage and handle things, you know, even though they don't have the support.
Well, you know, it's all in the mindset. You just have to condition your mind that you are an unlimited being.
Yes.
There's no limit to what you can accomplish, and you're destined for greatness. Nothing can stop you, so just keep that positive mindset. That's it.
All right, thank you very much. Oh, wow, so you have the crowd now. I'm sure you're feeling on top of cloud nine. You're very elated. Miss Universe Jamaica 2024. How does it feel?
It's unreal. I feel like I'm not even here. Honestly, as some people may know, I was a contestant in 2022 and I finished first runner-up, which was definitely an achievement, but it was not my goal.
Yeah.
So now, having come back to the pageant scene and done the work, you know, it's very fulfilling and satisfying to know that, you know, it worked out for me.
Yes,
you know?
yes. Would you have felt the exact same way if they come this year and never make top 5?
Yes, because I'm very proud of myself. You know,
yeah.
a lot went into the preparation, not even just with walking and learning how to speak properly, but just mentally preparing myself, knowing that I'm an empowered woman and actually stepping into that reality was definitely the biggest step for me, and I'm so proud of myself, regardless, even if I come last.
You'll be happy same way, right? Okay,
Yes.
so you won a lot of the sectional prizes. Like, I'm sure that was a confidence boost, like, and it also spoke to the training that you would have done over the 2 years to get yourself ready for now. Now, where do you go in terms of changing certain things heading into Mexico?
Well, there's a lot to improve, you know. Best can always be better, and I believe in constantly improving yourself and working on yourself so that you can step into your true potential. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. It would be an honor for me, really, to take home that crown to my country for the first time.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, there's a little spark I gather with you. Like, you have a little Jamaican girl, you know, girl next door type of vibe. And so I know a lot of times with the pageants, like, you kind of have to be a little bit stoic and, you know, kind of hold back on the personality. Like, how do you plan for this year now, to really connect with the Jamaican people and to just put a difference on the Miss Universe title, Jamaica title?
Right. I believe in authenticity, and I don't like to hide any parts of myself. So my approach would be to show Jamaica who I really am, and hopefully they love me.
Yeah.
Well, it seems they do. So.
Well, I like you. I mean, I speak with Jamaican people. Yeah. So now,
I like you too.
So now, finally, now, I'm gonna just ask the top 5 just favorite things, and just come get me, right? So we can have an idea. Favorite movie?
Bridge to Terabithia.
Oh, wow, okay. Favorite singer?
Cleo Soul. You like?
Favorite thing to eat?
Chicken carbonara.
Oh, okay. No, I know. Your favorite band, like group?
I would say the internet.
Oh, you go for band. No, you can interpret it that way. Wow. I know. Finally, know your favorite brand, fashion brand.
I would say Prada.
Oh, wow.
And I got a Prada bag from Divine
Oh,
Energy.
wow.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, you know any Spanish now that you leave, you know, because you go to Mexico now, like, you know the Spanish?
Sí, un poquito.
Okay. Bye-bye. Adios. Thank you very much.
Adios.
That is it, our new queen, Miss Universe Jamaica 2024. Thank you.